To set up a Phantom Wallet password, start by opening the Phantom Wallet application on your computer or mobile device. If you have not already installed the Phantom Wallet, you can download it from the official Phantom Wallet website or from a trusted app store. Once the application is open, click on the settings icon, which is usually represented by 3 dots or a gear symbol. This will open the settings menu where you can manage various options, including security and account settings. In the settings menu, select the security option, which may be labeled as security, password, or lock. This option will allow you to create a new password or change an existing one. To create a new password, click on the Create Password or Set Password option. You will be prompted to enter a new password and confirm it by entering it again. Make sure the password is strong and unique, and avoid using easily guessable information such as your name or birth date. It is also recommended to use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to make the password more secure. The password should be at least 8 characters long, but the longer it is, the more secure it will be. After entering and confirming the new password, click on the Save or Set Password button to apply the changes. You may be asked to enter your password again to verify it. Once the password is set, you will be required to enter it every time you open the Phantom Wallet application or perform certain actions, such as sending cryptocurrency or connecting to a new network. To ensure the security of your Phantom Wallet, it is essential to keep your password confidential and not share it with anyone. You should also make sure to store the password in a safe place, such as a password manager or a secure note-taking application. By following these steps, you can set up a strong and unique password for your Phantom Wallet, which will help protect your cryptocurrency and keep your account secure. Remember to always use best practices for password management, such as avoiding easily guessable passwords and not reusing passwords across multiple accounts.